Welcome back to our channel, Food Enthusiasts. Today, we have an exciting topic to share with you. We'll be diving into the culinary world and exploring the top 10 secret ingredients that can take your dishes to a whole new level. Whether you're a professional chef or an aspiring home cook, these hidden gems will unlock a realm of flavors and elevate your culinary creations. So, let's get started. Segment 1, Truffle Oil. Our first secret ingredient is none other than truffle oil. This luxurious oil is derived from the rare and highly sought-after truffle fungus. Just a few drops of this magical elixir can transform an ordinary dish into a gourmet masterpiece. Drizzle it over pasta, mashed potatoes, or even popcorn for an irresistible earthy and aromatic flavor. Segment 2, Fish Sauce. Fish sauce, a staple in many Southeast Asian cuisines, may not sound glamorous, but don't be fooled. This pungent liquid is a secret ingredient in many Southeast Asian cuisines. Made from fermented fish, usually anchovies, fish sauce brings a depth of flavor and complexity to your dishes. Just a splash of this golden elixir can transform a mundane recipe into a culinary masterpiece. Add it to stir-fries, soups, or marinades, and watch as the flavors come alive. Fish sauce is packed with umami, the fifth taste sensation that adds a savory and satisfying note to your cooking. Its distinctive aroma may be strong, but once incorporated into your dishes, it melds with other ingredients, creating a symphony of flavors that will leave your taste buds craving more. So, embrace the power of fish sauce and unlock the magic of umami in your culinary creations. Segment 3, Gochujang. Let's spice things up with gochujang, a vibrant Korean chili paste that will take your taste buds on a flavorful adventure. Made from fermented chili peppers, soybeans, and rice, gochujang delivers a perfect balance of sweet, spicy, and savory flavors. This fiery red paste adds a delightful kick to any dish and has become a staple in Korean cuisine. Whether you're using it as a marinade for grilled meats, a base for sauces and stews, or even mixing it with mayo for a zesty dip, gochujang brings a depth of flavor that is truly addictive. Its versatility knows no bounds, as it can be used in both traditional Korean dishes and fusion creations. So, get ready to embrace the bold and complex flavors of gochujang and elevate your culinary creations to new heights. Segment 4, Miso Paste. Our list wouldn't be complete without mentioning miso paste. Originating from Japan, miso paste is a fermented soybean paste that adds depth and richness to your dishes. With its complex flavor profile, ranging from mild and sweet to bold and robust, miso paste is a versatile ingredient that can enhance a wide variety of recipes. Whether you're making miso soup, dressings, glazes, or marinades, a spoonful of miso can elevate the flavors and bring a unique umami-packed punch to your dishes. The fermentation process gives miso its distinctive depth and complexity, making it a beloved ingredient in Japanese cuisine. So, dive into the world of miso and let its rich and savory essence transform your cooking into a culinary masterpiece. Segment 5, Sumac. Let's talk about sumac, a Middle Eastern spice that has been gaining popularity for its unique flavor. Sumac, with its deep red color, adds both visual appeal and a tangy, lemony taste to your dishes. Sprinkling sumac over salads, roasted vegetables, or grilled meats imparts a burst of citrusy goodness that brightens up your plate. The tangy flavor of sumac adds a refreshing and zesty twist to any recipe, elevating it to new heights. The versatility of this spice makes it a perfect addition to a variety of cuisines, from Middle Eastern to Mediterranean and beyond. So, embrace the bold and tangy flavors of sumac, and let it transport your taste buds to the vibrant streets of the Middle East. Segment 6, Coconut Aminos. For those who love Asian flavors but are seeking a gluten-free alternative to soy sauce, we have the perfect secret ingredient for you, coconut aminos. Derived from the sap of coconut blossoms, this savory condiment is a game-changer in the kitchen. Packed with amino acids and boasting a unique sweet and salty taste, coconut aminos can be used in a variety of dishes. Whether you're stir-frying vegetables, marinating meats, or even making a flavorful dipping sauce for sushi, coconut aminos adds a delectable umami kick to your recipes. What's more, it's not only gluten-free but also lower in sodium compared to traditional soy sauce. So, elevate your dishes with the rich, savory goodness of coconut aminos and savor the incredible flavors it brings to your culinary creations. Segment 7. Za'atar. Now, let's travel to the Middle East and explore the wonders of za'atar, a versatile and aromatic spice blend. Typically consisting of dried herbs like thyme, oregano, sesame seeds, sumac, and salt, za'atar adds a delightful burst of flavors to your dishes. Sprinkle it on flatbreads, roasted vegetables, or use it as a seasoning for grilled meats to experience the authentic taste of the Middle East. The combination of earthy herbs and tangy sumac creates a harmonious balance that will transport your taste buds to distant lands. Za'atar not only adds a savory and herbal note to your recipes but also adds a delightful crunch from the sesame seeds. So, let the enchanting flavors of za'atar spice up your culinary adventures and bring a taste of the Middle East to your kitchen. Segment 8. Saffron. Saffron, also known as the Queen of Spices. Derived from the delicate crocus flower, saffron adds a touch of luxury and elegance to your dishes. With its distinct floral aroma and slightly bitter taste, saffron is highly sought after in culinary circles. Infusing a few threads of this precious spice into dishes like risottos, soups, or desserts can elevate the flavors to an exquisite level. Not only does saffron add a vibrant golden hue, but it also imparts a unique and enchanting flavor that is truly unforgettable. So, let the allure of saffron captivate your senses as you embark on a culinary journey fit for royalty. Segment 9. Yuzu juice. Now, let's talk about the vibrant and tangy flavor of yuzu juice. Derived from the aromatic yuzu fruit, which originated in East Asia, this citrusy delight brings a refreshing twist to your recipes. With its unique blend of lemon, lime, and grapefruit flavors, yuzu juice can be used in dressings, sauces, cocktails, or even desserts. Just a splash of this zesty juice will awaken your taste buds and add a burst of citrusy goodness to any dish. Whether you're creating a tangy vinaigrette for your salad or experimenting with a yuzu-infused dessert, the versatility of yuzu juice knows no bounds. So, don't hesitate to explore the bright and invigorating world of yuzu and let its vibrant flavor elevate your culinary creations to new heights. Segment 10. Harissa. Last but not least, we have harissa, a fiery and aromatic chili paste from North Africa. Made from a blend of roasted peppers, spices, and herbs, it delivers a punch of heat and complexity to your dishes. The vibrant red color and intense flavor of harissa make it a fantastic addition to a variety of recipes. Spread it on sandwiches, use it as a dip for bread or vegetables, or incorporate it into stews and tagines for an explosion of North African flavors. With just a small dollop of harissa, you can elevate your dishes and take your taste buds on a flavorful journey through the rich culinary traditions of North Africa. And there you have it, our top 10 secret ingredients that will elevate your dishes. From truffle oil to harissa, these culinary gems have the power to transform your cooking and impress your guests. So, don't be afraid to experiment and incorporate these ingredients into your recipes. Unleash your creativity in the kitchen and embark on a flavor-filled journey. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting culinary content. Remember, the secret to outstanding dishes lies in these hidden ingredients. Until next time, happy cooking!